Hello, and welcome to episode 2 of Sons in the Forest Survival. There's birds, there's a copious amounts of firewood, and there's an epic house and 3 great friends. We're going on an adventure today. I think Delta's already gone on that adventure, but
no, I'm just finding food and stuff because I'm dying.
That's fair.
But yeah,
I also have 0 food and 0 sleep and 0 anything.
I'm cooking up some fish, don't worry.
I'm cooking something up devious.
You can have 1 fish if you say please.
Wait guys, if you give me some duct tape, or if I find some duct tape, then I can get a spear and then I can hunt us some great big deers.
I'm just hunting raccoons, dog.
Does anybody have any duct tape though?
No. Well, at least I don't.
Henry, do you have duct tape?
Nope.
Nobody has any duct. Isn't there supposed to be some with like the crashed?
No, there's a chance, but it's not absolute.
Alright, well then we do need to explore because I need
come eat your
follow
fish.
me.
Alright, one sec.
Get your fish real quick. Hi, Bambi. Bye, Bambi.
So if it gets
just catch up with me, Joe.
I'm coming. I feel very unprotected without a spear right now.
You're fine. You got me.
Axe.
Well, if you catch up.
Well, yeah. Are we not going to cave?
No.
Are we going to duct tape?
We're going to go find loot. That's all I'm telling you. Well, get in the passenger.
So yeah, sometimes around the map you can find these things called golf carts. I'm pretty sure you know what they are, but they're pretty cool. They're just little cars you can drive around, and they're solar powered so they can recharge in the day, and you can drive at night. Or in the day. Doesn't really matter. Anyway, enjoy this driving montage.
Right here.
Oh. Ooh, this is nice. This is nice.
How rare is that song, I swear.
How do I get up? Oh, there we go. I'm on the raft.
Nice.
I think there's like a flare gun and a toothbrush.
Not a flare gun.
That is a, or sorry, no flares.
Look.
Pistol! That one didn't even load in for me. How much ammo do I have?
Just a bit.
I have 3 9mm ammo.
Thanks. Included what's already loaded into your pistol. Well, come back to the beach, Joe.
I better not die.
I'll take us to a certain area, get out, and I'll let you drive on a random adventure. So get in the passenger. I'll take you somewhere. Yeah, we could just walk from here. I'll just
walk.
push it all the way up.
No, don't even push it. Let's just go home.
Hey, Calvin. How's it
No, I'll
going?
just leave it right there.
You Calvin, you bastard!
Hey.
Bastard is not a bad word, Joe. I mean, to whoever you ask, maybe.
Alright, everybody, we're all getting some deer meat tonight.
Oh, yes. Joe, climb onto the roof real quick.
Oh no, Henry's not completely done with the house? No, oh my god,
that's
how horrible. Oh my
Joe,
god, this is actually just horrible.
Yo!
I like the sky roof. I like the sky roof.
Nice!
I like the lights in the roof. Small question,
Although, wait, we might need stairs, though.
Where are the stairs going to go? Where are the stairs going to go?
I don't know, and I don't care.
I'll take care of the stairs, dude. This looks good. This looks good. I'll take care of the stairs. Also, I fixed the house and new staircase.
We're now cremating their bodies.
It's what they would have wanted.
Wait, does Spear Boy have any leftover spears?
No.
Darn.
They all disappeared.
I feel like that's a lie.
Yeah, it is a lie, my bad. I'll give you some.
Okay. Because spears are like the only weapon I'm good at. Except bows.
Okay, one's down there.
Are you actually throwing them?
Yeah, they're right there. Right here. Right here.
Oh, there.
Is there another one?
Dankeschön. No, that's all there were.
No, is there another guy? Henry. Oh my god, look up. The stars are beautiful.
Wow. And the night has only just begun, although I do think we should sleep.
With what?
Go take, like... Alright, I think...
Don't we have a tent?
I think this...
You know, I
think
say...
this might
Wait,
be
can somebody
the,
craft a bed
end.
inside of the house?
No, we can't.
I think this might be the end of the forest for today.
Yeah.
The end of the forest? Yeah, it might be.
Everybody outside and saved by the tent. Dang, you scream loud, Henry.
Why small
Screamed.
log?
I like it.
But what about big
You
log?
guys, come on, saved by the tent.
Okay, fine.
I know.
Alright, guys.
Joe saved before. You saved?
Yes, I've saved, and I'm sleeping.
Observe as all of our bars go to 0.
Oh.
All of my bars were already at 0, so it's fine. Oh wait, it's not over yet.
I'm going back to
So
sleep.
sometimes, you
I'm
have
going
like
back to sleep.
I'm going back to sleep too.
there's like a nighttime attack, but maybe we'll be able to skip it by
Screw
going back to
this.
sleep. Oh, we actually work. I did not think that would work.
I just tased a raccoon.
Oh yeah, you can do that.
Alright, now,
No,
I can drink some food.
No, it's already dead. You're not going to bring it back to life.
That's what you think.
Go to my inventory.
What happened to my tent? Who broke
Eat some
it?
meat.
Well,
And now, this looks beautiful. Wait, the tent's broken? I wanted to save.
you already did save.
Yeah, but like after I'd
Alright,
eaten
well-
and stuff.
Well, you'll still have those stuff in your inventory, so you're good.
Alright guys, thank you for watching episode 2 of The Forest, and I will catch you in episode 3. Goodbye.
I tased Calvin.
Oh my gosh, dude, he looks like Will from Stranger Things Season 2.
Oh no, Calvin got down. I'm sorry.
Problem. My mouse key that I used to activate my voice to talk broke off.
Broke off, like off your keyboard?
It broke off my mouse.
Alright, wait, are we ending the forest? Are we ending the forest? Okay.
Yep,
We'll pick it up tomorrow.
Alright.
maybe.
See y'all later.